You're in your 20s and you want a great looking space. What do you do when you're on a budget? One answer for you, paint. For example, paint the floor and the walls the same color. All you have to do is bring in one piece of furniture that resembles that color and you're golden. Check out what we've done.
Keep a nearby window open to ensure proper ventilation.
So the idea here with the paintbrush is that we want to actually pull the paint up from the baseboard about 9 inches. Because when we start using the roller, we don't want to have to worry about bringing the roller all the way down to the baseboard.
Short strokes with a small paintbrush will help you control your paint over small, delicate areas. Make sure to dry off the roller. You don't want too much paint on it at once.
So the idea behind a base coat is that you don't want to cover everything right now. That's what the second coat is for. The base coat really is there to act as a primer for the second coat, which will be the finishing touch. So now that we're done with the first coat, we're going to let it dry for about 4 hours. In the meantime, we're going to put this guy back in his plastic wrap that it came in to keep it fresh. Now the second coat will be really important because that's what's going to tie it all together. So now that our wall is done with its 2 coats of paint, it looks great. Now we're ready to start with the floor. The first thing we're going to do is use a 2.5-inch brush and paint around the trim. So in the same way that we painted up and away from the baseboard on the wall application, we're going to be doing the same thing on the floor, just so that when we go with the roller, we're not going to hit the baseboard with our paint. One very important thing to remember when you're painting a floor, you never want to paint yourself into a corner. Very, very easy to do that. With a couple of painting tips, we were able to create a space that is both bold and confident. So now it's your turn to be bold and confident.